We are located in Zongdankten, Tirol in Austria. Today we take 2 ski lifts, which are used in the summer, to take hikers to higher points, and then walk back to the village on foot. Our final destination is the Valluga summit at 2,811 meters altitude. We float above valleys and rivers, above landscapes, meadows and cows. Our first stop is at the Arlberg station, where we have to take the second elevator to the Valluga. The next stop is on top of the Valluga. The landscape becomes less hospitable. Grass and trees are replaced by rocks, boulders and snow. Arriving at the Valluga, we have a beautiful view of the mountains in the distance. The walk back to Zongdankten also starts here. The road leads us along the well-known GR path, direction to Santiago de Compostela. The first part runs along the rocks, over the ridge and through the snow on the top of the Valluga. It therefore requires suitable footwear and clothing. A little guts is also a nice bonus. The effect of the melting snow is clearly visible. Perhaps within a few years there will be no snow here during the summer months. You actually walk around the top over the ledge of the rocks, until you come out at the front of the mountain. From this moment, the descent effectively starts. Eventually we get to better paths, and leave the snowfield behind us. We pass the Ulmer Hütte at an altitude of 2,285 meters. Here you have the opportunity to eat or drink something. Or you can just rest and enjoy the panorama. The cows live on the grassy plains along the mountainside in the summer. As a result, you sometimes have to walk through a herd. We have to make sure that we always close the closure again. An old ski lift car serves as a lookout over the valley. The path continues downwards, towards Zongdankten. The last part of the descent takes us over iron stairs and scaffolding, next to a river that flows several times into small waterfalls. The water mill is also definitely worth a visit. Everything here is dominated by the water that finds its way down. Finally, after a few hours of descent, we arrive at St. Ancton.